Number 40, the table shows the dimensions of 3 cylinders. Which 2 cylinders have the same lateral surface area in square inches? So lateral surface area. So surface area is the area that covers the outside of a 3D shape, but lateral surface area is everything but the bases. So the formula for lateral surface area is pH. The formula for total surface area is pH plus 2b. But let's talk about pH really quickly. Capital P means perimeter of the base. So we're looking at perimeter of the base times the height of the prism. So we're looking at the perimeter of the base. The base of a cylinder is going to be a circle. So perimeter of a circle is also called circumference. So what we need to do is we need to find the circumference of these shapes and then multiply it by the height. So there's a couple different ways to find circumference. There's circumference of pi times diameter, and the diameter is 2 radiuses. So you could also say if the diameter is 2 radiuses, you could also use the formula circumference equals 2 pi r, or 2 times pi times the radius. And that's the one we're going to use today because it gives us the radius. So let's start and just go through each one of them one by one and find out what that capital P perimeter of the base is. So W would be 2 times 3 times 3, because we're going to use 3 for pi. So 2 times 3 times 3 gives us 18 times h. And h is the height of the cylinder. So we know that height, according to our table, is 9. So we do 18 times 9, we get 162. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and put these in a table so we have them for future reference. So let's move on to cylinder X. Cylinder X, we're just going to go ahead and plug that in and show the entire process. So looking at X, we have 2 times 3 times 4 is 24. 24H. 24 times 2, 48. So we have a difference in X. And let's take a little bit of a closer look at Y. So we have 2 times 3 times 4.5 times H. So we multiply those together. We get 27H. So we get 162 when we multiply all that out. So we have our table. Let's go back to our question. Which 2 cylinders have the same lateral surface area in square inches? We're looking at our table. We're going to highlight them. W and Y are the 2 that have the same lateral surface area. So our answer is A, cylinders W and Y.